Hey, it's BLK Wanderer, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken parmesan. So let's get first thing you want to do, get your oil in the pan so it can start heating up. So that way when you're done with the chicken, you can just drop it in there. So the first thing that you want to do is wash your chicken because you want to make sure it's clean. And then the second thing you want to do is take out the seasoning that you use. So my go-to seasoning is onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoning salt, and paprika. And so as you can see, I seasoned chicken. I seasoned it on both sides. I don't know if you were able to see that, but hopefully you were. And then I also seasoned the flour. So I want my chicken to be like very flavorful for this this chicken parmesan. So you're gonna want to pick up chicken, dip it in the egg, both sides, transfer it over to the flour, get it all floured up. And then once that is done, drop it in, and let's see what happens. So once your chicken is done, what you're going to want to do is put it in a pan and pour some mozzarella on it, or your choice of tomato sauce. I used Prego. Now I could have made my own because I was all prepared, but then I remembered that this is quick and easy meals, and yeah, if you're on the go, you're not going to want to make tomato sauce, so yeah. At 350, and we're going to make it for 8 minutes. And that's how you make chicken parmesan. So I hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, please share it with your family or friends or anybody you know that could use a quick meal. I also like to thank my brother Naskun, aka Kunatics, for allowing me to use his music in this video. I'm going to drop his link down in the description for his Instagram. He's also working on a bomb comic, so he has a Kickstarter going. I'm going to leave that in the description as well. Definitely check that out. And again, thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you guys have a great week.
Touchdown, I'ma score. Put my numbers on the board. Touchdown, I'ma score. Put my numbers